Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see safe sound on a TikTok apps. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps, and after this, in here, if you wanna see safe sound on your TikTok account, so you just click on the profile at the bottom. You can click on it, and then in here you can click on the save icon, this one, click on it, and then in here you can click on the sound, this one, and now in here you can see save a sound or your on your TikTok account, so you can use the sound that you want. And so that's how to see save sound on a TikTok apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.